This is what we call health in a bottle or health in a glass. Like, this drink is loaded with disease fighting properties, alkaline properties to fight diseases in your system. So if you want to always stay healthy, these kinds of drinks should be your friends. They not only help treat diseases from your system, they equally help to glow your skin from the inside out as well. This is so healthy. You want to replace all the sugary drinks with these kinds of healthy drinks, so you stay always looking healthy, youthful and glowy. I love this so much. This is what I'll be sharing with you today. I'll be sharing with you how to come up with this very powerful disease fighting drink, so you can consume and live longer and not die before your time, because health is wealth. And trust me, it feels so good taking good care of yourself. So yeah, I'll not waste your time. I'll take you now and show you how to come up with this drink yourself at home. Equally, do not forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy. So let's jump straight into the making of these. So in order to make this very healthy drink to fight diseases and live longer, the first ingredient you will need is a very powerful disease fighting ingredient, which is apple. We all have heard doctors say an apple a day will take you away from the doctors. That is because it has anti-disease properties. Like, an apple a day helps to prevent cancer and other deadly illnesses. It helps to support your heart to function well. It has so many vitamins and minerals for the proper functioning of your system, most especially vitamin C and vitamin B6. It equally helps to lower the risk of diabetes. In short, an apple a day takes you away from the doctor. So these are 2 apples. You always make sure to slice and rewash your apples. After washing the first time, make sure to rewash. The second ingredient will be cucumber. So you can add in 1 cucumber. Cucumbers are equally alkaline in nature, which are disease fighting to help fight and prevent deadly illnesses, as cucumbers support your system to detox itself, that way flushing out toxins out of your system. So that makes cucumbers a very powerful ingredient for this smoothie, thanks to the disease fighting properties and the fact that it supports your system to detox itself. Cucumbers are equally loaded with so many vitamins and minerals, and since it is about 90% water based, it helps you cleanse your system, flushes out dead or diseases from your system as well. The third ingredient, which is one of the most healthiest vegetables I've ever seen, is beetroots. Like, beetroots are loaded with so many health benefits. They are rich in vitamin C, iron, folate, which helps to improve your blood quality and blood flow. It helps to cleanse your blood as well, because if your blood is clean internally, that's how your skin glows externally as well. If you are anemic, this is so good for you as it increases and your blood and you always stay healthy. It has so many benefits, rich in vitamin C to glow your skin from the inside out as well. This is so good for the skin and internally, most especially the fact that it cleanses your blood, improves and increases your blood quality. This is so good. So you want to slice your 2 beetroots into sizes that can easily blend in your blender. So we will not just be using just the beet. You make sure you rewash your ingredients, very important. Always make sure to rewash. Now, some people might throw the green leaves. If you don't have, you can skip this part, but if you have the leaves, you can as well just slice and add with the actual beetroot. So this is the leaves from 2 beetroots, thoroughly washed, rewashed, and so I make sure I don't put in bacteria again or dirt into my system. So voila, these are the 2 beets plus the leaves of the beets sliced. So you want to put your ingredients in your blender. You start with the heart ingredients like the beet because it can be a little bit difficult to blend. You want to put it at the bottom. Then you follow with your apples. So these are 2 beets roots, 2 apples. Then you add in 1 cucumber, one or half a cucumber. I just add half, so but you can use 1. Then you want to add in water midway. That is how you measure your water, midway or below midway, and you work yourself up. If your blender is not really strong, you can start putting it like gradually so it blends well for you, but my blender is really hard, and yeah, so you want to thoroughly blend to get to a very smooth consistency so you can easily really extract everything. And yeah, with the help of my sieve and like a plastic strainer or yeah spoon to like help me press out the ground ingredients so I can get the juice out. So if you have a juicer, you can actually know, but this is the best way so you can get enough liquid out of the beetroot and the apple. I think this is the best, most especially the beetroot and the leaves. You need to actually blend. You cannot skip to like using a juicer. You must use a blender so you can add in water to actually really extract the juice from the beets and the leaves. So yeah, this is it. This is the amount of juice I got out from those 3 ingredients. What you want to do is you can still add in water with here and reblend, but I want it really concentrated. You can add in like half a liter of water and still reblend to get some more juice and add in here, but I will just leave it like this for today because I want it really, I like it really concentrated. So share with your family and friends so we can all drink and stay healthy, fight diseases and live longer and not die before our time. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.